I was driving down through Haines City and going on about my day, and before you know it, an Amazon truck ran the stop sign and I slammed into him. I didn't have no time to stop or nothing, and iron herniations up and down my spine, spinal stenosis. So yeah, pretty bad. Honestly, on Google, a Google search. I went on Google and was like, law groups in my area. I went to look at the reviews of different law groups, and I was like, all right, this one. It was the right choice. It was a great choice. Great. I'm a real busy man, so everybody kept it cordial. Everybody was real respectful of my time and my days and my schedules and stuff like that. It was real hands off. I didn't have to do much. Everybody just handled everything for me. Could call me when something important arise or if I needed to sign something, and just got it done. I didn't have to do nothing but go to work and continue on about my regular day. So it was pretty, yeah, it was nice. Oh, absolutely. All my friends, all my family. Hopefully I don't be back, but if the time arises, I'll be back.